open the Snapchat app and then see if someone sent you a snap. Open the snap and on the side you can see the icon of the filter, or open the filter, and then under that you can see a favorite option. So clicking on that makes the lens save to your favorites. Now go to the camera icon and then see the different types of filters. Under that you can see something called browse, and beside that explore. When you click explore, you can see all your favorite lenses. Now let's see good vibes lens. We saved this lens as our favorite lens. So we'll keep a filter to this like exhausted. So we'll stick to need more energy, and we can send it to all of our friends.